Hello everybody, welcome back to Travels by Auntie Jennie. Today, with the help of my doggy Duke, we'll be doing an unboxing of my newest snack crate of the month. Just know, I'm not sponsored by Snack Crate in any way. I'm solely a subscriber that enjoys snacks from around the world, and I love sharing what I receive each month. This month's snack crate is South Africa. Let's start unboxing, shall we? Fun facts. South Africa is home to the highest commercial bungee jump in the world at 710 feet. South Africa is now the only country in the world to have hosted the Soccer, Cricket, and Rugby World Cup. There are more than 2,000 shipwrecks off the South African coast, most dating back to at least 500 years. The oldest remains of modern humans were found in South Africa and well over 160,000 years old. The first human heart transplant was performed in Cape Town in 1967. Duke! Hi, Dukers! Thank you for watching. I hope my video was helpful enough for you to get an inside look on what to expect when subscribing to Snack Crate, which is a monthly subscription where you get a box of goodies from different countries from around the world. And if you really enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my Instagram and Facebook page. And as always, thank you for watching. This is Travels by Auntie Jennie. Have a great day.